Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government job. First, pinpoint the government sector that aligns with your career goals, whether it's federal, state, or local. Then, navigate to official government job websites like USA Jobs for federal roles to explore available positions. You can filter these listings by agency, geographic location, and even salary expectations to narrow down your search effectively. Once you find a promising role, thoroughly review the job announcement. Pay close attention to the specific qualifications, required documents, and the often strict application deadline. Government applications typically require a federal resume, which is usually more detailed and extensive than a standard private sector resume, often spanning several pages. Now it's time to craft your application. Customize your federal resume to explicitly address every keyword and requirement listed in the job announcement. Provide concrete examples of your experience, skills, and accomplishments, often using the challenge, action, result, CAR method. Also, complete all supplementary questionnaires with precision and honesty. Finally, submit your meticulously prepared application package well in advance of the deadline. Before clicking Submit, perform a thorough check of all attachments to ensure they are correctly formatted and included. After submission, regularly monitor your application status through the government's online portal for updates on your candidacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.